Let's talk about library management. With the library, firstly, you enter the names of all the books with this. For each book you have in your library, you will define the author, ISBN number, everything about the book. You even upload the back cover of the book. Here we have the library member. Once you open this, you will be able to click on the right to add students to the library. Students will not appear there by default. You have to add everyone to the library. The issue and return, this is where you will select, you go to each student, you click on issue, you will select a book that has to be given to the student. You select the date that it was taken and when you expect it to be returned. You take submit. This is for books that are stored in the library where people can access them on their phones and read them directly. Now let's start. We'll click on books. When we click on books, we'll just click on ads. If we click on add, we'll put the title of the book here, we'll put the book number. All of these things that you don't see an asterisk, they are not important. It's just the quantity, the book ID and title that are important. If you want to upload the back cover, you upload. So you just put the price of the book if at all it's important. So once you do that, you will see the list of books that are here. So let's return back to our dashboard. I will go back to our library where we can add library members. So like I said, when you are here, you have to look on the right. You will see non-member. You have to add each student to this library. It is not so by default. All students will not appear here. Students should belong in the library. They should be library members. They must have been registered to use the library books. So you have to click on non-members now, where you will see all the list of students in this school, or you have to select each class. If you don't see it, you select each class. If this is student course demo 2, you have to add to library member. He has been added. You add this guy too. You add this guy. You add whosoever you want to add. They will all go to the library members. Now you come back to your members here. If you come back to members at this point, you'll be able to see the students you have added. That is how you add students to library. So you can even add all the students at once. There's no problem. You take your time, you add all the students at once to the library. We can as well make it to be automatic. You can add everybody to the library upon request. So when we are still at the level of the library now, we now go to issue and return, because now we have students who are library members. We now click on new issue. We have to issue a book. Let me say this book. Automatically the information of the book is going to appear here. It shows me that out of stock quantity because it was not defined. There is no problem with that. So we select the library member who is taking the book. This student, return dates, he has to bring back the book on the 30th. So we have done that. We take yes. It will not appear. Sorry about that. Yes, it will not appear because it's out of stock. There is no quantity that was defined. Let's fix it. Let's go back to books. Let's go to the book Aladdin. Let's go back to the book Aladdin library book. So Aladdin, let's take quantity. It needs, yes, we need to know how many books are there. Since there's 0, it means the books are finished. So let's put the price is just the price of the book we bought is important. So they are let's say we have 85 of them. It's important because when you take a book in the library, we need to know how many books are there. If not, it's going to be a mess. So we take updates. At least we have 85 books by this author Aladdin. So now we can freely issue and return to a student. We'll go back now to library. We take issue and return. Or we take issue and return. We take new issue. We take the book Aladdin. So quantity that 85. So now we can issue date was return date. Sorry, he has to return the book back tomorrow. So who is taking the book? This particular student will take issue. So when we take issue, this. So on the next time now, When you open this, if at all the student comes back with a book, you just click on this, return this. The number of books will come back to 85 because right now it is just 84. So that is not a bad new issue. Books. So if we go to library still, if we take ebooks are just things that you can read directly. You can read directly. You open and you read on your phone. You can even download, so you can add them. It's like a PDF. It can be a PowerPoint document. It can be an image. So you just upload. You select from your computer. So normally it's a PDF file that you just upload. Somebody can read with the phone. So that is all about the library management. Let's